Have you ever stood in front of a closet full of clothes and felt completely overwhelmed, unable to create a single outfit that feels right? The truth is, the most elegant women over 50 don't have more clothes. They have clarity. And that clarity comes from something called the 333 rule, a simple framework that transforms chaos into confidence. Once you understand it, you'll never look at your wardrobe the same way again. Because timeless style isn't about abundance, it's about intention. There's a particular kind of wardrobe exhaustion that settles in after 50. You open your closet and see pieces you once loved, but somehow they no longer speak to each other. Nothing coordinates, nothing flows. Getting dressed feels like solving a puzzle with missing pieces, and you start to wonder if maybe you've lost your sense of style altogether. But here's what actually happened. Your wardrobe grew without direction. You bought pieces that caught your eye without considering how they fit into the whole. And now, you have abundance without harmony. But this isn't failure. This is simply the moment when you're ready to build differently. To create a wardrobe that doesn't just hold clothes, but holds pieces that work together with intention, purpose, and timeless grace. And that transformation begins with three simple principles. Today, I'm revealing the 3-3 rule that transforms how women over 50 build and maintain timeless wardrobes, 3 color foundations, 3 essential silhouettes, and 3 quality principles that make every future choice simpler, more intentional, and infinitely more elegant. This isn't about minimalism or capsule wardrobes or throwing everything away. This is about creating a framework that honors who you are now and makes getting dressed feel effortless every single morning. So if you're ready to move from wardrobe chaos to wardrobe clarity, let's discover how the 3-3-3 rule creates the timeless elegance you've been searching for. The first 3, your color foundation. Here's where timeless wardrobes begin, with 3 foundational colors that form the backbone of everything you own. Not 20 colors competing for attention, but 3 that create harmony and make every combination feel intentional. Your first color should be a dark neutral that grounds your wardrobe black, charcoal, navy, or deep brown. This is your anchor, the color that creates definition and sophistication. Your second color should be a light neutral that brightens and opens cream, ivory, soft gray, or pale taupe. This is your breath, the color that brings light to your face. Your third color should be a warm mid-tone that adds richness, camel, cognac, olive, or dusty rose. This is your depth, the color that creates visual interest without demanding attention. When you build your wardrobe around these 3 color families, something remarkable happens. Everything coordinates effortlessly. You can get dressed in the dark and still look pulled together, because your colors are already in conversation with each other. Understanding your dark neutral. Let's make this deeply practical. If you choose navy as your dark neutral, it becomes the foundation for trousers, skirts, blazers, and coats. Navy pairs beautifully with cream, with camel, with soft grey, with cognac. It's sophisticated without the severity of black, and it works for every season. Or perhaps charcoal is your anchor, slightly softer than black, incredibly versatile and deeply elegant. The key is committing to one primary dark neutral and building depth in that color family. Not black and navy and brown all competing, but one main neutral with perhaps one secondary option. This commitment creates the visual coherence that makes wardrobes look expensive and intentional. When someone opens your closet, they shouldn't see color chaos. They should see a curated collection where everything has been chosen to work together. And that curation begins with your dark, neutral foundation. The second 3, your essential silhouettes. Now let's talk about the 3 silhouettes that form the structure of a timeless wardrobe for women over 50. These aren't specific pieces, but categories that must be represented. First, essential silhouette. The fitted but comfortable top that shows you have shape without clinging inappropriately. This might be a fine-gauge sweater, a silk blouse, or a structured knit, but you need several in your foundational colors. Second, essential silhouette. The flowing bottom that creates ease and grace, wide-leg trousers, midi skirts, or straight-leg pants that skim rather than cling. Third, essential silhouette. The long layer that creates vertical lines and pulls outfits together: cardigans, vests, or unstructured blazers that fall somewhere between hip and knee. When you have these three silhouette categories well represented in your foundational colors, getting dressed becomes simple mathematics. Fitted top plus flowing bottom plus long layer equals elegant outfit every single time. Building your fitted silhouette. The fitted silhouette is your foundation for showing proportion and creating shape. After 50, this doesn't mean tight or revealing. It means pieces that gently acknowledge your body without demanding attention to it. A cashmere crew-neck sweater that skims your shoulders and falls to your hip. A silk blouse with darts that suggest shape without clinging. A fine merino turtleneck that layers beautifully under everything. These pieces should exist in each of your three foundational colors. A fitted top in your dark neutral, your light neutral, and your warm mid-tone. When you have this covered, you always have the foundation for elegant outfits. The fitted piece creates the anchor point that makes everything else look intentional rather than accidental. It says, I have shape, I have presence, and I'm elegant about it. Building your flowing silhouette. The flowing silhouette is where grace enters your wardrobe. These are pieces that move when you walk, that create vertical lines, that balance fitted tops with ease and sophistication. Wide-leg trousers in your dark neutral become your most worn piece. A midi skirt in your light neutral creates feminine elegance. Straight-leg pants in your warm mid-tone offer versatile sophistication. The key is that these pieces should have enough structure to maintain their shape, but enough flow to create movement. Not stiff and rigid, not limp and shapeless, but that perfect balance of substance and grace. When you pair fitted tops with flowing bottoms, you create the proportion that makes women over 50 look elegant and intentional. This is the conversation your wardrobe should be having every day: fitted balanced with ease, structure balanced with flow. The third three. Your quality principles in Toshuai. Let's discuss the three quality principles that separate timeless wardrobes from temporary ones. First principle: choose natural fibers whenever possible. Silk, cotton, linen, wool, cashmere fabrics that breathe, that age beautifully, that feel luxurious against your skin. Second principle: invest in pieces that will last 5 years or more. Not trendy items you'll tire of next season, but classic silhouettes in timeless colors that transcend fashion cycles. Third principle: prioritize fit over everything else. A perfectly fitted piece from a moderate brand will always look better than an expensive piece that doesn't fit properly. These three principles guide every purchase decision. Before you buy anything new, ask yourself, is this a natural fiber? Will I still want to wear this in 5 years? Does it fit me perfectly right now? If the answer to all three isn't yes, walk away. This is how you build a wardrobe that serves you for years rather than seasons. Understanding natural fiber investment. Let's talk about why natural fibers matter more after 50. Your skin becomes more sensitive. Synthetic fabrics that you tolerated at 30 now feel uncomfortable, don't breathe properly, and often don't drape as beautifully. A silk blouse feels different against your skin than polyester. Wool trousers hold their shape better than synthetic blends. Cotton breathes in ways that rayon never quite matches. And the visual difference is significant. Natural fibers have subtle texture and depth that synthetic materials struggle to replicate. When you commit to natural fibers in your 3 foundational colors, you're building a wardrobe that not only looks more expensive, but actually feels better to wear. This is quiet luxury, not logos or obvious branding, but the kind of quality you can see in how fabric falls, how it moves, how it catches light. The 5-year test. Here's the question that changes everything about how you shop. Will I still want to wear this piece in 5 years? Not will it still be in fashion, but will it still feel like me? A classic navy blazer with soft shoulders passes this test. A trendy asymmetric top in a loud print probably doesn't. A camel cashmere cardigan that falls to mid-thigh will be just as relevant in 5 years. A cropped style in a fashion color might not. This test forces you to think beyond the immediate appeal of something new and consider whether it truly belongs in a timeless wardrobe. And here's what you'll discover. The pieces that pass the 5-year test are almost always in your 3 foundational colors, in classic silhouettes made from natural fibers. They're the pieces that cost more initially, but that you wear hundreds of times. This is where true wardrobe value lives. The perfection of fit. Finally, let's address fit, the element that transforms everything. A piece that fits you perfectly right now, in this body, at this age, will always look better than something expensive that doesn't quite work. This means being honest about your current size and shape. It means tailoring pieces that are almost right but need minor adjustments. It means understanding that fit after 50 is about comfort and ease as much as it is about proportion. Your trousers should sit comfortably at your natural waist without gapping or pulling. Your tops should skim your shoulders without straining. Your cardigans should layer smoothly without bunching. When fit is right, even simple pieces look expensive. When fit is wrong, even designer labels look cheap. This is why the third principle matters so much. Never compromise on fit, because fit is what makes your 3 colors and 3 silhouettes actually work in real life. The 3-3-3 rule isn't about restriction or limitation. It's about creating a framework that makes every decision easier, every morning simpler, every outfit more intentional. 3 foundational colors that work in harmony. 3 essential silhouettes that create balance and proportion. 3 quality principles that ensure everything you own serves you for years. This is what timeless wardrobes offer women over 50. Freedom from the overwhelm of too many choices, clarity about what actually works, and the confidence that comes from knowing every piece you own was chosen with intention. You don't need a huge wardrobe, you need a coherent one. And that coherence comes from understanding these 3 simple frameworks that guide every choice you make. If the 3-3-3 rule gave you the clarity you've been searching for, if you finally understand how to build a wardrobe that works instead of one that overwhelms, then join this community of women rediscovering timeless elegance. We're not chasing trends or buying mindlessly. We're learning to make intentional choices that serve us for years. Subscribe to continue this journey, because you deserve a wardrobe that makes getting dressed a joy instead of a struggle. You deserve pieces that work together effortlessly. And you deserve the kind of confidence that comes from truly understanding what timeless style means for you.